522 render.com server part 2. So here's the tiny URL for the screenshots. We got rid of the query string library because we weren't actually using the query string parameters variable member of the state object bundle anywhere. We tried to rebuild and building did not work. So I tried a manual deploy from a specific commit and I chose I tried to choose the latest commit, 522, could not find a 522 anywhere. I could not find a 522 anywhere, and I was like, what the fucking hell? So I do a git add and a git commit, and I grab this hash, F1ADEE0, and I try to take that hash, this hash right here, and I copy it to my clipboard with a right click, and I paste it in here. It says no commits found. I'm like, what the fuck? Does it take 24 hours to update or something? And then I go to GitHub and I look at my GitHub and I'm like, wait, I don't see a 522 here either. And so I do a git push git SSH master because I'm a fucking idiot and that's what I forgot. So we do git push git SSH master and now we can see it here. We can choose it from choose a commit to deploy. We deploy that specific commit. We get this message about not having a database. That is okay. However, when I go to the deployment URL, we get this message that basically says that the app can't phone home. So we're going to fix that in the next video. Let's review the source code. So right here in the master declaration libs section, we made some monkey wrench macros here because we need a L prefix in front of these, not a D prefix. We completely removed the query string library because we don't use it anywhere. In the init server backend, within the create server function right here, we do not use this query string object anymore. So I commented it out. We don't use mpam anywhere except for here and here. So what's the point of even using a polyfill for this? So down here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes and whatnot. And then here's what we did in this video. So in the next video, we're going to try to make the application phone home on render.com so it knows where it's being deployed to so it can use API calls. So you have been on this playlist here, and if you want a longer explanation of what I've been up to, you can go to this playlist here for intermediaries on the Ninja Coder channel. Also, if you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO game with proximity mines that blow up in different directions, vertical, horizontal, and four-way.